I'm delighted to tell you about our Step 2 Anti-Wrinkle Cream Vita A Kombi 2. After using Vita A Kombi 1, your skin is ready to go to the next level with Vita A Kombi 2. This is formulated with 2% oxygen and vitamin A. It provides you with oxygenation, high hydration, and a beautiful level of vitamins for your skin to complete the collagen production. For an ideal efficiency, it's important to apply it correctly to your skin. Take a small amount of cream and spread it over your face without massaging. Wait 2 to 3 minutes for the cream to penetrate and provide all the essential elements it contains under the skin. You can brush your teeth or drink a small coffee. 3 minutes go by fast. Composed of 2% oxygen and vitamin A, it is ideal to continue the anti-wrinkle treatment to bring you even more oxygenation to normalize the skin and eliminate imperfection. The 2 to 3 minutes have passed. You can see that the cream has almost all penetrated. You can massage the rest and apply your sun protection cream on top or your loose powder for the final touch.